Hi guys, hope your week's off to a great start. As you can see, this is our video for the week of May 4th. We are already into May, time is flying. But if you take a look on your calendar this week, pretty much like last week, not a whole lot of changes. So you'll see that you are going to continue working on your website. The one thing to notice this week is that I've set an official due date. So I've kind of gauged how you guys are working, how far most of you are getting, and I'm going to set that due date for May 15th. So I know some of you are probably like, May 15th, but most of you are pretty far ahead, moving along. I feel like your websites are in a really good place, so that should not be too bad for you. So what you're going to do is work all week, and then at the end of the week you are going to go to Flipgrid. I don't know if y'all have used that before or not. I think you have, but just to kind of walk you through that, if you're not sure, you will go into the link from our Google Classroom, and then you will go to Flipgrid, and it will look like this. And then what you will do is just log in with your Google, find your name, and voila, you will come to our 8th grade Flipgrid site, and the question will come up. And you can see, I want you to tell us about how things are going, what have been your biggest successes, your greatest challenges, what you feel is the most creative thing about your site, and any questions that you might have. You can go ahead and record that by pushing the button down here. I think I have it set right now for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So that's what you have to tell us about what it is and how things are going. And then if you go back through and you see other people's comments and you want to watch them, feel free to do so. You don't have to. But if you want to comment back to them, then you can do that as well. So have fun with this. If you need anything, if you have questions, feel free to pop in to any of my office hours. One slight change with my office hours is that I am now changing my 1 to 2 o'clock office hours on Tuesday to email only. I didn't have a whole lot of people popping in anyway on that day, and so I figured I will just move that to email only time. So if you have a question, if you email me between the hours of 1 and 2 on Tuesday, I will get back to you immediately. But quite honestly, most of the days if you email me, I will get back to you pretty quickly as well too. So just something to consider. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a fantastic week, and I will see you later.